The goal for 2011 was self-reliance, self-reliance, self-reliance. We did achieve it. Our Surendranagar Association was awarded the Scotch Inclusion Award for its achievement. We congratulate them. This has bolstered our spirits and given us reassurance. This is doable, possible, and we will do it. Our Seva's membership in 2011 reached to 1.35 million members, making us the single largest women's organization in India. We organized members in 3 new states of Kashmir, Assam and Meghalaya. In the year 2011, 206.5 thousand members earned a total income of Rs 715.6 million. The district associations took on many risks and challenges which resulted into the increase in income of our members and securing livelihood opportunities. In 2011, altogether, the district associations took a loan of Rs 700 million from the nationalized banks for different trades and enterprises, of which the largest loan of Rs 420 million for Haryali. We also succeeded in having a first loss guarantee for these loans from IFC. This was not easy. We emphasized on concurrent monitoring of our business plans, focus on cost economization and reduction, strong financial planning and management. Every member, Agevan and organizer emphasized on simplicity and self-reliance. The goal was to strengthen efficiency by upgrading skills and market linkages. This resulted into increased income and employment opportunities for our 112.7 thousand members. The challenge in 2011 was how to create alternative opportunities. We embarked upon skill building initiative Swavalamban. The members were trained in agriculture management, food processing, para-veterinary, textiles, renewable energy and ICT. A cadre of 110 master trainers was built. We now have standardized training modules developed in collaboration with technical institutes and industry. The unique feature is each master trainer is now an entrepreneur. They have set up their own field schools in agriculture, food processing, ICT, garments, where in 2011 they trained more than 9,500 members. Why does a farmer remain hungry? The agriculture campaign progressed well. The focus was on developing agriculture as an industry. 3,844 women farmers were trained in future trading and rainfall insurance to provide these services to more than 14,722 farmers and thus reducing the risks of the farmers. The farmers were linked to market and the turnover in agriculture was Rs 82.92 million. We also got released 168 hectares of land. Not only that, but also got the name of women registered in the land documents. This will ensure asset ownership of women. Our Rudy is our own wealth. Rudy is the agribusiness company of our small and marginal farmers. Our small farmers grow, purchase, check their quality and package it. Our Rudy sisters go from door to door and village to village and sell the products. This generates local employment and the money of the villages rotates within the villages. The farmers earn fair returns and the Seva members and their households have food security. Rudy's turnover in 2011 reached to rupees 250 million. In 2011, we strengthened our Green Livelihood campaign to mitigate global challenges like climate change. We brought in technology of solar lantern, cook stove, greenhouse technology, production of vermicompost and rainwater harvesting technology. 21,000 members started using solar lanterns and 650 members started using improved cook stoves. The women's group in Gujarat and Rajasthan have started assembling, repairing and maintaining solar lanterns and now earn monthly income of rupees 4,000 to 4,500. Under One Vanita campaign, the members have grown 1.4 million plants and produced 72,000 kg of vermicompost through 9 groups. Harvested 84.74 million liters rainwater, 4,023 families get water for 8 months at their doorsteps. This resulted into increased earning of rupees 19.36 million. Repaired 3,975 hand pumps, 721 villages which now have timely access to water. The water technician women got employment of rupees 2.38 million. We need to recognize the efforts of Seva Managers School, who built the capacities of our grassroots leaders and organizers on increasing the work efficiency and performance, which includes time management, managerial capacity building and coordination, how to build a local association and to sustain it. The Seva Managers School also trained our sisters in the neighboring countries this year. 826,000 members were trained under Seva Managers School.
سه بخش مهمش در این پروسه عبارت از بخش خیاطی می باشد، مواد غذایی و کامپیوتر و دیگر بخش ها. خود سوال دومش بخش دلخواه ما پروسس مواد غذایی می باشد و جواب سوال سوم بخش چی می باشد که ما کدام بخش مهم است. البته تمام بخش ها بر ما مهم بود، زیادتر همی قرضدی و دیگر بخش ها. سوال چهارم ما ای بود که ما بخش های مهم ما کامپیوتر، انگلیسی، پروسس مواد غذایی، خیاطی و
We are self-employed, live in villages and work in villages. Yet we worked on scaling up our livelihood opportunities and strengthen our enterprises. To achieve our objectives, we have used ICT tools to increase our operational efficiency so that the group leaders and organizers can work effectively and compete in the market. We now have computers, VSAT, mobile phone, mobile banking and 9 community radio stations in more than 50 community and business resource centers. Hansiba is our own identity in market. It is the brand of Seva Trade Facilitation Center. This year, Hansiba reached Nepal, organized Ananta Fashion Show in Kathmandu in partnership with Sabha, Nepal. 36 new designs made by 15,000 workers who are the shareholders of Seva Trade Facilitation Center. Our company and we have our outlets in Ahmedabad, Delhi and Mumbai. This year, Hansiba's turnover reached to rupees 40 million. Seva Trade Facilitation Center is also an incubating trade facilitation center in neighboring countries of Pakistan, Nepal, Sri Lanka as Sabha. Seva's organizing has gone beyond the border of our country. Our organizers have trained 5,000 poor and widow Afghani and Sri Lankan women in eco-regeneration, food processing and garment making. This has increased their ability to earn a living. These women are now producing different products and their products go up to market. The Afghani women also formed their own local association, Bagh-e-Khazana Sabha Association. These women now earn Afghani rupees 4,500 per month. On the same lines, Seva also started the economic rehabilitation of war-affected women in the eastern province of Sri Lanka. Today, after 40 years, 1.35 million members are feeling second freedom. We are always singing and going ahead with the assurance of livelihood and income security.